Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer encrypted files using Google Drive to a new account, full guide step by step clearly. Open your current Google Drive account. Locate the encrypted files you want to transfer. Right-click on the desired file. Select Share from the drop-down menu. In the sharing settings, enter the email address of your new Google account. Make sure to set the permissions to Editor. Click Send to share the files with your new account. Now, log in to your new Google Drive account. Find the email notification about the shared files. Open the email and click on the link to access the files. Once in the new account, go to My Drive. Select the shared files you want to keep. Right-click on the selected files. Choose Make a Copy from the drop-down menu. The copied files will appear in your My Drive. Now, download the encrypted files to your computer. Select the files and right-click. Choose Download to save them locally. After the download is complete, delete the shared files from your new account. Return to your computer and navigate to the downloaded files. Use your decryption software to unlock the files. Once decrypted, you can upload the files back to your new Google Drive account. Go back to your Google Drive. Click on the plus New button. Select File Upload to upload the decrypted files. Locate the files on your computer and select them to upload. Wait for the upload process to complete. Your encrypted files are now successfully transferred and accessible in your new account. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.